Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest tech updates and reviews. Today, we have some exciting news for all you Samsung Galaxy enthusiasts. In this video, we'll be diving into the anticipated features and improvements of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So, let's get started. The Galaxy S23 Ultra was a massive hit, praised for its exceptional performance and long battery life. Despite its similar appearance to its predecessor, the S23 Ultra outperformed expectations in terms of public reception and sales. Now, let's talk about the future. ARM, the British company behind the architecture of processors found in smartphones and other devices, has unveiled its latest CPU and GPU cores. These cutting-edge components will be utilized by companies like Qualcomm and Samsung for their chipsets, including the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and Exynos 2400 that will power the Galaxy S24 lineup. Efficiency is always a top concern, and ARM claims that the new Cortex-X4 CPU core, designed for heavy single-threaded tasks, will see an incredible 40% reduction in power usage. Yes, you heard it right, a 40% improvement. This means the Galaxy S24 lineup will be highly power efficient, especially when performing demanding tasks such as gaming, photography, and multitasking. But that's not all. The other two cores responsible for daily tasks like web browsing and social media apps will be 22% and 20% more efficient than their predecessors. These efficiency gains will result in an even better battery life for the S24 Ultra compared to the already impressive S23 Ultra. In fact, the improvements are so significant that we can confidently say the S24 Ultra's battery life will be significantly better. Now let's talk about performance. ARM claims a notable 27% jump in multi-threaded tasks. The Cortex-X4 core can reach an impressive clock speed of 3.4 GHz and boasts a 2 MB L2 cache, twice as much as last year's model. Overall, ARM's focus on efficiency and performance translates into an extraordinary user experience with the S24 Ultra. While we're on the topic of graphics, there have been rumors suggesting a staggering 50% improvement in graphics performance on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. Although Samsung won't be using ARM's Mali GPU cores, this enhancement promises to deliver an immersive visual experience for S24 Ultra users. Moving on to software updates, Samsung has confirmed that their phones will start receiving Android 14, along with their One UI 6 skin later this year. Now, you might be wondering if your device is eligible for this update. Luckily, Samobile has compiled a list based on Samsung's software update policies, ensuring that devices up to 3 years old will receive the Android 14 update. Samsung's commitment to providing 4 operating system upgrades is truly commendable. That's it for today's video. We hope you're as excited as we are about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's remarkable improvements in power, efficiency, and performance. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more exciting content like this. Stay tuned for future updates, and as always, peace out.